is the difference between parental alienation and estrangement from your perspective?
That's a great question. Estrangement, usually in the legal setting, refers to a scenario where the parent-child relationship is damaged, and if there is rejection of the parent by the child, there is justification behind it. Let's say we have a case where a parent is abusive, an alcoholic, who has abandoned the family, and these are the reasons where a child could reject a parent. These are the reasons where the relationship could be affected. So when there's a rejection of a parent by the child, and there is a reason behind it, which is justifiable, which is legitimate, it's called estrangement. On the other hand, if the rejection seems to be for a flimsy reason, or there is some excuse made for rejection, such as alcoholism, but there is no record for it. The tests don't support that. There is no history of alcohol abuse, but the child keeps on saying or just parroting the same reason, then we know it's not estrangement. But estrangement is something that needs to be ruled out by any expert who's looking for alienation in the case.
I see in cases, and I've had a lot of cases where I think there was some form of parental alienation or something going on, but if you're representing the alienating parent, often you'll be arguing that there's abuse by the other parent. And I guess, how do you sort through that?
Well, as lawyers, we go to the mat for our clients. We always defend our clients. We put the best case forward. What needs to happen is that if I'm representing a client who's accused of alienation, I'll have to tell the court to appoint an evaluator. There needs to be an evaluation done. Because whether it's estrangement, abuse, or alienation, the court needs to make a finding of fact. And the evaluator, if that's a good, competent expert evaluator, will have several hypotheses to work from. There'll be one hypothesis that says, okay, is it a case of estrangement? Is there a justifiable reason for the child's rejection of the parent? Let's look into it. The other is alienation, and third could be something of a hybrid case, where the parent may be to blame for certain actions, but at the same time there are alienating behaviors present as well. And we need to work on both aspects to remedy and to repair the relationship. But I've been in situations where people have been falsely accused of alienation, and upon closer examination it turned out to be that that's not the case.